And hello, everybody. How is your day? Let's see what is market are telling. So let's get started. So I already in the position, and yeah, it was quite risky one, but don't want to miss one. And this is so this is our CPI print, and we got news so that today the inflation is lower than expected. This is kind of bullish print, so that's why I entered a long position for on S&P 500. Quite a small position size on the 5 contracts, and yeah, I'm looking for taking profits over here at 5450. Let's see how it will go. On 30-minute time frame, we can see that we started today from this huge week with like a short squeeze. At least they tried to sell in short squeeze. However, it didn't go well for the sellers, and yeah, so buying pressure is still there. We are looking on this intraday setup, and I'm currently looking that is going to go higher a little bit, but for now, it's still kind of bouncy and not there in terms of movements, but I hope it eventually will go to these levels. Let's see. Yesterday was quite an interesting day. We closed the live stream. However, I managed to keep the position on the S&P 500 and closed it with just a shy $100 profits. But it is what it is. The market was quite well, it was in the quite sideways during the day, and then only at the end of the day trading session, it was on the movement and managed to secure some profits over here. So, how was your day? Let me know what you are trading right now. Let me know what is your expectations on this print. I hope we're going to see some price action over the markets. And to me, I'm looking on a couple other things right now. And so from Bitcoin, if we take a look on Bitcoin, where we at and where we was yesterday. So basically, yesterday we was trading at 59,500 and managed to break through resistance over here, and eventually we managed to land at 61,000. So what to expect from Bitcoin right now? I'm looking at a 30-second chart, and here you can see that this print on Bitcoin wasn't so great in terms of like if we compare to S&P 500. So on S&P 500 we managed to stay. We actually staying. You can see here on the 30-minute chart that we are staying above this resistance, which is 5443. And it's kind of good that we are staying there. And if we manage to stay above 445, that's going to be a much better option for the markets. And for Bitcoin, I kind of expected the same thing, but it looks a little bit different. You can see we got here a lower low on this print, but you know, whatever, we could possibly get some positions over here, but but we need to hold above 61,000 to, you know, to be there and to make this happen. But anyway, so far so good, and let's see how the market is going to go. For now, let's analyze a little bit on 30-minute time frame what is happening over here. So we got a few interesting lines here. So we got this support line at from 60 to 100. And yeah, it's kind of making some kind of flag or rising channel over here. It's hard to say that we're going to, to stay above these levels because um, it's quite hard to break this level. You can see we tried a couple times in the Friday and on the weekend as well. Didn't go well. So yeah, I'm going to analyze this more and going to make decision a little bit later. I'm not really sure that I'm going want too long over here or short at the moment. But yeah, there is a I think there are going to be some opportunities. So from this print, let's check what is happening over here. I think, okay, we got this rising wedge after print, and right now we're building another one, I guess. And let's see how it will go. It looks a little bit weak in terms of amounts of connections, but yeah, we're going to see how it will develop and then decide on this one. Once again, I don't really want to short right now, just simply because the news was quite bullish. So let me check what we got. So U.S. inflation falls to 2.9%, lower than expected. So this was good news, and it was quite bullish news. So I'm not expecting Bitcoin to go down. At least I don't expect it to go down right now, just simply because this kind of shape, this kind of setup doesn't support any price action to the downside. And it's barely supporting some bullish moves, just only on the fundamental side of things we are bullish, but on the technical side we are still in the middle. We are still I'm not really sure that we need to go. Maybe it's a buy deep opportunity. Let me know what you think in the chat. I would like to see your opinion as well, because it's really important to me. What do you guys think? We should buy Bitcoin on this occasion, or we should stay away and see how it goes before making any decisions? What do you think, guys? So I see a few people watching right now, so maybe somebody can drop some ideas over here in the chat. Let me know. So meanwhile, going back to S&P, where we at, still bouncing around this, this kind of shaky levels. And what is interesting as well, going back to Bitcoin, it's look at the fear and greed data. So we basically didn't go anywhere since yesterday. We're still staying at fear 31. This is pretty low. This is pretty low number, and yeah, let's see where we're going to go, because yesterday we managed to go up, but the fear and greed index not supporting this one. So this kind of surprising, to be honest, and I'm not really sure that that is going to go any lower than that. At least for now, I don't think it's going to go any lower than that. Yeah, anything can happen right now. So let's see. All right, what we got on this print as well. So another news over here is that Goldman Sachs discloses 400 million holdings in Bitcoin ETFs. That's kind of interesting fact. So the almost half of a billion they holding in Bitcoin. That's kind of interesting because, okay, we got this drop, and what I noticed about the markets is that there was a pretty huge inflows in the ETFs during this drop, and after that as well. So So we got inflows. Just yesterday we got inflows like about 5 million, and so yeah, it's pretty good. Market is pretty stable in terms of ETF markets, and yeah, there is a pretty good demand in the ETFs right now. So it's kind of looking interesting to me. And yeah, so all right. So Bitcoin is trying to break down below 61,000. So you can see here we got the breakdown from 61,000. Okay, I'm not sure if it's a good entry position. Um, because well, S&P going up, S&P going up, but Bitcoin is barely holding over here. I don't know. That's kind of crazy thing. Right. So like if we're going to, break through 6800, that's going to be a really big failure there. And if we're going to break through 6800, you can see here that that's going to mean that we go in lower, like to 6300, something like this. Let's see. I'm not really sure about that. Once again, we got some decent bullish news, decent bullish fundamentals over here, but overall, overall, price action is kind of weak, I should say. That's quite weak. Uh, that is quite a weak price action over here. So let's see how it goes. So far, I really like that that I opened these long positions. That it actually happened exactly on the print, so it was quite a pain to pick up this price, but yeah, managed to do this, and market is just shoot really fast over here. And right now it's just kind of bouncing off 540, 55.48, 54.48. Sorry. So bouncing off this level and not holding there. Let's see. Maybe we're going to get some breakout over here. I need this one. One should be. So Bitcoin's still there. It's not moving anywhere. So let's see how it will go. Let's see. All right. So yeah, S&P is kind of falling from this level, not holding too well. Let's see. That is some sellers. They're trying to push over here. We got some small triangle formation over here. So some sellers trying to sell this one, and I guess they're going to get some kind of level around 54.41. Probably pushing down to this level, but let's see. That is interesting. Okay. So where are we at in terms of other stuff? Ethereum pretty much in the same area where we was yesterday. Still trying to break through 2700. You'll not making any much progress over here. BNB 580.11 and Solana 142, XRP 56, and Toncoin at 6.3 almost. So most of the coins doing the same things. They kind of going back to the resistance and trying to get there, trying to break, or trying to break or reject. That's going to be interesting. So nothing much here, not much to see over here. Let's see, let's keep it. Okay, so what we got here on Bitcoin, pretty much nothing. Well, kind of looking like we might going to go short over here. Just looking somehow weak. Maybe we're going to go, to 6,300 over here, or even a little bit lower, like almost 59,900, which is um quite round number over here. So 60,000. Let's mark this 60,000 and mark 60. What is this? 400 area. Yeah. So I guess if we not manage to break through resistance and make a higher high, let me choose one. Like if we not make the higher high over here at 61,150, then that's going to be a weak, and I'm going to consider short over here. So, and right now I'm still looking at this. I'm still looking for some confirmation or breakdown through 6,800. Then I'm going to get some entry over here. S&P 500 still struggling around 548, 448, right? So still there. All right, let's take a look at other markets. So Nasdaq made pretty much the similar move to the S&P, and they sharing pretty much the same charts. You can see over here. I hope you can see this one. Ethereum break lower, so we got to 2780. 2780 make higher high over here. This is kind of interesting price action. Let's see what we can do about this. Yesterday we discussed this one, and we drew this trend line over here, which is kind of main trend line for massive move. So if we're going to break through this big trend line, we're going to get some massive move to the downside. But right now we're still around this resistance at 2700. It's still trying to get over this. We broke through this line. We got another resistance over here, 780. Well, kind of interesting where we're going to land this one. Oh my god, Bitcoin is breaking through. I'm going to short right now. It's going breaking from this one. Yep, we got this. The charts are just having some lag over here. Okay, I'm going to set stop loss over here at 6,900. Let's see, because this breakdown, it's quite strong. Quite strong breakdown over here, and the target price is 6,400. Let's see how it will go. Mm. 05. So another 05. let's see. So we got this attempt to break down. Let's see how it goes, because you can see there is a lot of weakness over here. I try to stay away from entries, but yeah, the weakness is just showing up. We retested once again 67.58. Let's see. So market is pushing lower. So what about um, Ethereum staying? S&P rejected once again. So here we have a weakness on the Bitcoin chart, and we got some kind of weakness on the S&P as well. We don't break out through 5450. That's a kind of weak spot. You're going to see how it will go. Let's see. Once again, like I said in Telegram channel, that is going to be a really wild ride today. It's going to be just a madness over the markets, and we're going to see now. I'm see why. So okay, we got another spike down to 65.48. Looking to more push to the downside over here. I don't know. This is kind of candlestick that's having a pretty huge shadow. Let's see how it will go. All right. S&P 500 still there, still not making any kind of move. I noticed a few things on the chart today when this print came out. I noticed that some of my time frames is just simply not working good. I used to, I really like to trade on Kaji right now. It's kind of showing me some structures over the charts and that I like and respect. But what I noticed there is some of the time frames right now is just simply not working good. And I don't really know why is that happening on TradingView, but maybe it's just temporary moment and some things lagging just. So we got a rejection over 60,700 ish, and let's see how it will go. I'm going to manage the stop loss over here down to 68.90. Yeah, that was quick. That was actually really quick move. And let's see. We're going to get another move to the downside. Let's see how it will go. Okay, buying coming here. I don't know if we're going to stay, but the S&P is kind of weak. Not making any strong move in any direction right now. That is kind of trying to reject from this trend line right now. At least it looks like it's trying to reject from here. Let's see how it will go. So we possibly got this fake out, but let's see. Let's see. We still got plenty of time to move over here, and we're going to see how it will go. So far on 30-second chart, we got this rejection candle over 660, 600, yeah, 670, 660. So we got the rejection over here, and right now we are just bouncing around 800, 820, and yeah, looking on this trend line. Let's see if this is probably this is was like a expulsion of the sellers. I don't know if it's true. Maybe it's a like a, just a bear trap. Yep, we got the breakout from this trend line here. So we got ourselves in this bear trap, but let's see a little bit more. I got stop loss over here at 60, at 68.96, and we're going to see how it will go, because sometimes we need just to wait a little bit, because this breakdown through 6700 through 6800 was quite strong, and let's see if the market is going to support the move to the downside, or it will to reverse here. Let's see. Yeah. So S&P 500 still, it's just making sideways. I don't know. It's just not making move to my target over here. Just a funny thing about this. uh, like we could break. We need to break from 450. That's going to propel some Bitcoin price as well, I guess. But yeah, let's see how we can manage this one. Let's see. This is quite exhausting price action, actually. I should say that on the S&P 500, we just going in the sideways. We just making little small moves. I don't know who actually catching up on this one. I don't know. Bitcoin is there. Is trying to push. Well, there is a like on Bitcoin there is a huge amount of sellers and huge amount of buyers at the same time. They just trying to push price somewhere, but it's not going. Just not going. We're still below 6,800, so um, so technically still looking to the south side, but it can change. It can change if we're going to get the breakout from this trend line. That's going to make sure to make price go up, but right now we're just staying. Hmm, let's see. On days like this, you actually have to be really quick. I didn't manage to be that quick. That is actually needed for this market. Like we got the breakout from this, and I don't manage to open up trade quite fast, you know, and that's why we just dump it on this price. And yeah, sometimes it's just a matter of a few seconds where you can get any good price, and then the market just pops, and you staying and waiting for this one to to go somehow. Let's see. Um, you just stop it over here, right? You just It's just looking like it just stopped and not moving. That is crazy. That is just crazy. Nothing moving. Um. So 540, 5450. It's the level that we are looking at on the S&P. Let's see. It's trying to push, but it's trying to push a little bit, but not having too much. Um, those wondering, I don't want to increase the position over here too much. If it's going to dump, it's going to be a really good profit target. If it's not going to dump, I'm just fine with that. I don't want to increase anymore. I was actually thinking that we're going to fall much quicker than it's doing right now, but it is what it is. Let's see. Oh my god, this this is just like a nonsense price action. It is just not making any moves. This is shit. Oh my god. And Bitcoin doing the same, pretty much the same thing, but in different direction. It's just trying to push, to the downside, and it's just staying on the same level and over again. We got 3 minutes before this candlestick close, before 30-minute candlestick close on this one, and yeah, if we're going to stay below 6,700, that's going to be a good sign. But wow, oh my god, this is just emptiness of price action over here. It's just empty. Come back. Come on. We just need a few push ups to the upside, and we are in a profit. This is what we need. Come on. This is kind of price action that reminds me, like, when you're stuck in the traffic, you need to go somewhere, but stuck in the traffic, you just sit there. Oh my god, you're just not moving over here. Oh my god, this is just this is not moving anywhere. It's just so slow over here. It's just not making any moves. Let's see. That's funny. It's actually funny. Come on. We need a more price. We need more action. We need more action to the downside. Oh my god, it's just bouncing off my entry over here. That's funny. That's funny. Come down. Come down. It's just not moving. What about S&P? Well, S&P is actually rejecting a lot. Oh my god. This is starting. This is starting something. Let's see. Let's see. Bitcoin just oh my god, it's just bouncing off my entry over here and not making any moves. Like if you notice how price action and how candlestick looks over here, compare it to what we got in last like a few minutes, it was just a nonsense. We just got emptiness, and over here we got full good candlesticks, and pretty much the same Pretty much the same coming to the night session. Night session as well. It's just emptiness. So 5 seconds before this candlestick closing. Let's see where it goes. 5 seconds. 3. Okay. Now where we close? We closed below 6,800. Let's see how it will react over here. What a battle over here. Oh my god. I mean, if like for S&P 500, I got a pretty good position, position entry, and it's just going side in up and down, and for me it's kind of safe. But if you got an entry inside this range, it's going to be tremendously hard to trade and to just hold this position. It's going to be a really hard, and right now it's just waiting on this position is also killing, and yeah. But right now it's trying. Oh my god, we got a push from 5,450. We got one try. Oh my god, 5,449.9. Oh my god, this is crazy. Just this is just a craziness over here. Let's go. Just try to push over here. Oh my god. We got stop loss executed on the Bitcoin. So this is minus $300 on Bitcoin right now. Yeah, Jesus Christ. This is we got ourselves in this bear trap, and yeah, it is what it is. So right now we're pushing to the upside. Let's see what is going to get if it's going to give us any opportunity to enter this trade. Because all right, we got a wedge. This wedge, obviously, we got the breakout from the wedge, and right now it's trying to push to the upside. We broke through 6,800 back again, and this candle, you can see previous candle. I'm just trying to zoom in a little bit. The previous candle was closed right on this support line, which we draw in the beginning of the stream, and so right now we just keeping above this trend line, and yeah, it's really crazy roller coaster today. I don't really know what is going to be to the end of this day, but I mean, this is kind of crazy. So let's see. Currently, from technical standpoint, we got ourselves in a double bottom shape. That's possibly a double bottom, and we trying to push over here. So this could be some kind of good entry for long. Let's try this one. Let's see what is going on S&P. Now, come on, it's just doing nonsense over here. So what we got on the Bitcoin right now, we got a higher high over here, and we got a higher low. Right now it's back to 6,700. I don't know. This is just a crazy stuff. This is just a crazy. It just keep surprising me today. I don't know. What you guys think? Have you catch this move? Have you tried to catch this one? Because I'm like, for me it's just crazy one. Oh my god, it's just bouncing below. Fuck. Oh my god. Damn it. We just got roasted on the Bitcoin. You can see that we got this stop hunting. I don't know how to call this one. We just got this. Oh my god. What we need to do? I don't want to go there. Oh my god. Just got roasted on the Bitcoin. That's fine. That's really crazy price action over here. Actually, that is serious. I don't know. You tried to go long over here, you chopped. You tried to go short, you chopped as well. So I don't know, guys. If you manage to actually to snipe these positions, let me know in the chat. It's really interesting. I'm really curious to see this. Oh my god. I don't know. So it is what it is. Well, you never know. Oh my god, we could be in really good profits over here, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah. And the S&P is just going down. Wow. Wow, it actually created a really nice shape over here. This is kind of, Bart head stuff. Looks like a Bart Simpson head to me. And yeah, I don't know if we're going to secure some profits over here or we're going to hold more. I'm just looking on these candlesticks. It's just a bunch of nonsense to me. We just bouncing off for a 5 4 38 39 up to 5 4 4 50. That's just a crazy move. So retested this breakout. You know, I think we're going to close this position. Just for God's sake, I think that it's going to be a better to stay in profits on this one. And for the Bitcoin, we got ourselves in this. I don't know how to call it, but it's really roasting. It's really roasting me that I don't really know where it's going to go. Markets just need to stop this. I mean, this is kind of crazy, crazy shit. All right. So where we at? We close position on the S&P. That's I'm securing a little bit profits over here, like just like a plus 30 bucks. It's really small compared especially to losses over here at minus 300 bucks on the Bitcoin today. But yeah, the market is really choppy, and like if I could just take this stop loss a little bit higher, I could probably profit on this one. But it is what it is, and yeah, the market is just crazy today. Um, Let me know, guys, what you guys think about the markets today, and if you guys managed to, to scoop this price action, because to me, I didn't, I didn't make it. Right. So S&P just shaking again over here. What we got? Oops. So let's check the markets. Let's check Solana. What is happening over here on Solana? What is this? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Solana just looking like wow. I mean, I haven't seen this for quite a while. We got breakout. Meh. What a price action is this? I mean, we got these trend lines, and then well, this is really choppy. This is really choppy. I mean, if we're looking on 50-minute time frame, it's really choppy. This is kind of some kind of I don't want to trade. And right now is just making this what is this? Like this shape from this one. This is really hard to trade. And yeah. So if we're going to correct this trend line, we're going to connect these two highs, and we got ourselves still below this area of this line. and we got this resistance here at 150. Hmm, that is something. That is something we can see. 148, too weak. 147 is probably going to be a level that is going to do something. 145, 145, yeah, 145. Well, so for those who like looking to trade this one, I don't really know. That's the area of the interest, I guess. We're going to get ourselves to 150 area, 150, 145. So this is the area for Solana. That is kind of expected to get to go back again on this area. Maybe from this area we're going to see some action to the upside. Just look at this. We got this breakout from 150 on the beginning of the August. So this area is demand area for the Solana. Oh my god, Bitcoin is just dumping more. Fuck, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I'm kind of glad that I fixed some profits over here on S&P because we just shopping around and the market is not creating anything. Right now, it looks like the head and shoulders pattern. Like you can see one, the head, and another shoulder over here. So, and maybe there is a short entry. I don't know, but I don't really I'm not really liking these mixed signals from the markets all over the place. We got good fundamentals over, and we got some bad technicals. That's kind of it's kind of hard to trade. Um, Damn it, we just oh my god, we going lower to 600, 300, 400. Oh my god, this is oh my god. I knew I was right. I knew I was right about that. Oh my god. I knew I was right about that. But yeah. Well, this is really, really wild price action today. I would like to, to to be more, I don't know, to be more precise on these ones. But oh my god, 6,200. We going lower. Oh well. If somebody actually managed to take this short, to hold this short, because I didn't manage, and let me know in the comments if you managed to keep this short and take this home run. Take this to the profits. Let me know in the comments, and yeah. So going to clean up on this chart. Going to clean up, and yeah, this is just a crazy, crazy price action. I barely go too long on this one, so thank God I didn't do this. I was just enough by this trade, and yeah. So where we at right now? Seller still pushing to the downside. 30-minute time frame. Where we at? We at this area of possible retracements from this move, and we still pushing to the downside, still pushing to, well, I guess we're going to reach $60,000 on this one. $60,000. Let me synchronize this level. Where is it? I don't see it. Let me check. Yeah, we got ourselves on the 60,000. 60,100 right now. So Bitcoin reached these levels and hovering a little bit around it. Some buyers probably going to step in on this level, I guess. We're going to find out. Going to find out on this one. All right. So 60,000 holding good. We got ourselves at 60,035. And yeah, let's see how it will turn over from here. Okay, I'm ready to pick up the price here. Because right now it's probably that is the shorts just trying to cover over here. We got this pullback from $60,000. This pullback is probably where the shorts are taking profits, and we going to get some more rejections. Let me check other time frames as well. Yep. So, rejected 6,300. Going back again. All right. So we got ourselves in pretty oversold conditions over here on many time frames. And yeah, we're possibly going to rebound from 60,000. Let me check other things like Fibonacci 60,005, well, 59,700 as well. So 59,700, also interesting level to see, but I don't know if we're going to see this rejection over here at 6,100. Quite weak price action. I don't really know. I can try a small long over here at 60, 180, 160, 150, 140, 145. Yeah, going long, just 05. I'm just going long on 05 over here, and yep. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it's going to, if it's going to break below 60. That's going to be a bad one, but let's just take it like this. 6,500, 700. So the idea over here is to try to get this pullback. So we got really fast move to the downside to $60,000, and we might have a pullback action to the 6,800. The volatility is kind of crazy, but right now the market is pretty oversold on many time frames. So I'm trying to take this risk over here and to see. I just don't really know now. Now if we go once again we got ourselves in this trap. It's not doesn't want to go in our direction. That's it. Really bad read on this one, but looks like we're going to get some rebound over here. I'm really looking for a rebound around 59, 900, 700. I don't know, maybe somewhere over here. What is doing on S&P? So we got ourselves breaking down to 5440 and Bitcoin. So we got stopped out from two trades on Bitcoin. The first one was a short, and right now I tried to go on half position long. Then we got stopped out again. So the market is just roasting us today, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just don't read the market really good, and yeah, you have to deal with it. And this is it. So looking kind of interesting over here. Hmm. So what I'm looking at is that we got this trend line building up, and this trend line is quite steep, and the slope of this trend line is quite narrow. So I'm pretty sure that we're going to break through it. I'm pretty sure that we're going to break through it, and it's going to be a good long position. Just a pullback trade. And yeah, just need to time the market really good on this one. Let's see. Let's see how it will go. I don't know. Not much buyers over here, and it's kind of frustrating, but the sellers are still pushing pretty good. So let's take a look on the higher time frame charts, 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we got this rejection over 61,200, and we still kind of looking kind of weak because we got lower highs pretty much over here, and yeah, that's kind of interesting shape on our time frame. So daily, well, daily is kind of in the middle of nowhere. I probably told this one previously that it's kind of still building up. It's still nowhere near to say, okay, this is bullish, okay, this is bearish. It's still in the middle. 4-hour time frame, kind of looking like some triangle over here, which can go in many directions. And so far, we are there. So we reached 59,700, bouncing off there, and okay, I'm ready to push a button over here to buy the markets on this one. Hmm. Let's see. Market is kind of crazy today, right? So S&P 500 is just making some nasty moves over here. We got this some triangle, then we got pull to the upside and pull to the downside. It's kind of looking like some kind of candle shoulders to me on this intraday. Yeah, it's kind of funky. Uh, Bitcoin is still rejecting this trend line. We still got some. Well, there is a huge sellers over here. There is a huge pressure from the sellers. I don't know how they manage this. But I'm ready to buy this pullback. I'm really looking for this pullback. It could be any time. Let's see. Nope. It's still going down below 59,700. Oh my god, what a crazy day today. What a crazy day today. It's just oh my god, almost 4% to the downside from this opening. Oh my god, this is just a crazy. And all of this on the good news. And all of this happening on the good news. My god. So, still at 59,700, still there. And I mean, from this price action, we should get some rebound. I'm looking for that one. I'm not looking for shorts right now, just simply because maybe it's going to dip lower, but it's really thin. So you can see that the market is just dumping over this trend line. It's really thin. You don't have any pretty good entry points, and the stop loss. If you're going to use wide stop loss, is going to be very hard to manage. But if it's going to be a tight stop loss, it's probably going to make a rebound somewhere. And so damn, I wish I could hold this short. they and they'll hold this time, and it could be really good, but it's not. So 59,500. And so even all of my conservative targets was break down dramatically. Oh my god, 59,400, 59,450. Oh my god, this is madness. This is really madness over here on Bitcoin. I don't know if somebody catch this move today. Congratulations to those who catch this move. You know, because I got roasted today. I got really roasted on this one. Um, but yeah, is what it is. So, so are we going to make a pullback over here or not? I don't. I still don't know. I don't know. That is somewhere. I didn't expect this price today. So we got ourselves in 59,500, and the buyers are just not there. We only got some small taking profits from the shorts. and we doesn't have any buyer step in on this one. Just simply we only have these orders that are filling. Is that just taking profits? So another candlestick print on this one, and still pushing to the downside. Still pushing to the downside. That's kind of really frustrating to miss this trade, to miss this price action, because I really wanted to be on this. However, it is what it is. So let's check on S&P. So S&P still building positions to the downside, still going to the downside. So this head and shoulders looks like it's played out. Well, if we're going to measure this one, this head and shoulders, it's about 10, almost 10, 10 points move. So we pretty much reached the target of this head and shoulders pattern. But if we looking on these time frames, like 1 hour time frame, for example, well, we got a lot room to go. We got a lot of room to go to the downside as well to the upside. So it's really tricky day today on the markets. As you can see, that is not simple to trade. And yeah, so Bitcoin is there. Still, no buyers show up. So we still there. So sometimes you just got days like this when you know you have to have some closing trades. It's quite normal. And what we got today is CPI day. So this is kind of wild one. Every time we get a CPI day, it's going to be a wild one. It's going to be choppy market, or sometimes it's just popping to the one side and not stopping. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what we got today. So looking on Bitcoin once again, we got even lower. We got 59,300. Oh my god. So this is just, well, it's dumped way below any expectations. Any expectations for today, to be honest with you guys. I was expecting, okay, we're going to get some uh push to the downside when we already wasn't in the day opening. I saw this small weak price action. We got ourselves below this trend line, and after that, okay, we're going to get some weak price action, but that low, that 59,300, I didn't expect that one. I didn't expect one to be honest with you guys. Who was expecting this, or tried, or at least catch it this move, and you should let me know that one. So looking by the on the 30-minute time frame, I got this trend line rising over here. So this trend line looks like this is the line that is actually market is seeking for, and right now we are at exactly at this trend line. So let's see how it's going to, I don't know, respect or reject this line. Let's see. Another level to see is 59,200, but we got some rejection over here. We got some rejection over 59,500, coming up a little bit. I'm really looking for a chance to get some profits over today. But it is what it is. It could be anything today. So far, about $400 in loss in the Bitcoin, and about I think $50 profits in the S&P. So roughly minus $450 on today's print. Yeah, so it's quite quite nice to have this one, I guess. But it is what it is. So let's try more. Let's see. Pushing. So Dogecoin is quite stable actually. Looking at Dogecoin, we got 10 cent for like for a really long period of time. It's quite a stable price for the Dogecoin. Uh, let's see. Um, so we are about 1 hour and 20 minutes in this live stream. I thinking to you know to have another scalp over here, and then we going to end up this live stream. So for now, just looking on the market, looking for opportunities. Still waiting for that. We got chopped 2 times today, but yeah, just want to be really careful on this one. Price action is really weak. Even though we got this trend line we almost got a breakout. Like if you pointed this trend line over here like this, we got a breakout, right? So, but it's still so weak. We don't have any burst in volume or anything. It's just making small moves over here and just not not holding really well. Yep. So CPI today it's came in 2.9, right? So um, below than predicted. That is than expected. Sorry, below than expected. Let's see what else. What else we got for today? What else from the news? Pretty much nothing. Nothing. This one. Not much. Um, let's get back to S&P. So this is kind of things that I don't really like. That's okay. We got really slow price action over here, and right now is just making the kind of similar, but in some downward trend direction. looks like many people try to avoid to trade today. But not on Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is just different. We got still don't have any buyers to come. We still don't have, I don't see any buyers there. This is really wild. Really wild. No buyers at 59,400. We at 40 we at 59,300 right now. Mm-hmm. And still pushing to the downside. Oh my god. Oh my godness. Oh my god. Believe it or not, I didn't saw this kind of price action for, I don't know. I don't know. Like since this drop on the Monday, August 5th. But what actually we got the drop started in the weekend sessions, and it was kind of wow. Oh my god, what is happening over here? Oh my god, market is just dumping through 59. Oh my god, 58,900. And I thought to buy this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. S&P breaking through this. Uh Come on. Let's try to get a trade on S&P. Look, it's looking more stabilized than Bitcoin. So we got. So you remember this price section from Bitcoin today? We got ourselves in this one. Take a look at this. We got this wedge, and we got wedge on S&P 500 right now. That is interesting. I look to get a sell entry here. So, let's see. 59. Oh, back above 59. Back above 59 once again. And this is just a wild, really wild price action on the Bitcoin. I kind of happy. We just we got roasted for 50 bucks on this one, but I kind of happy that is not more than that. Because honestly, I was expecting to go down, but I didn't expect it to go that much. And exactly when I tried to go long over here, this is exactly why I set up this tight stop loss in order to not just giving the market, you know, this change. So, yeah, really interesting market right now. Really interesting, really wild. I was expecting that is going to be wild, but that amount. S&P going, still going there. Oh, just to get a chat message. Hello, yeah, hello, Sylvan. Hello. How are you today? So Bitcoin still moving downwards, still moving 59,900. This is, I mean, this is kind of craziness over here. Oh my god. Every sign 5 minute time frame not stopping is just 11. It's just 11 right now. When we got this the same amount of here, we got 20. Oh my god. I'm looking on the RSI right now, and we got RSI drop it to 11 only at Sunday before the market dropped more. Oh my gosh. This is craziness. The market is just smacking down really hard. I didn't expect that one. And right now it just started to reject, but not really rejection. Quite small. Still below this trend line, still below it. I don't see any movement. I don't see any structures right now. We don't have any structures right now. Don't get in this trap because we don't have any structures in not no structures to continuation, no structures to reversal. The only thing that we have right now is only that the sellers is pushing through from this trend line. They trying to push from this trend line once more again. Right now, trying to break 259 200 and yeah. Yeah, thank you, Sylvan. It's a pleasure to see you there as well. Like I hope that we're going to see some rebound in the market today, but that's not just happening. It's just craziness over the markets and S&P 500 as well. We got this print. You can see here we got this opening, and the opening range was quite wild. I managed to scalp just a shy $50 over here, but it is what it is. But right now, what is happening over here is just also a bunch of nonsense. We got ourselves in the slow downtrend market, and market is trying to break out, trying to push down below 5430 on S&P. But Bitcoin today is just all eyes on Bitcoin because we just dropping. We just heavily dropping on this occasion. Have you managed to catch this trade, to catch this market opening and market move? Because if you manage this is like, oh my god. I couldn't. I watched all of these, but I didn't manage to get there. So what we got today? What we got right now? We got 59 200 struggling to stay above or to break below again. Really choppy price action over here. I don't know, maybe I kind of really want to go here to try to trade this pushback, but so far I don't see, I don't see too much to come. I don't see too much buyer pressure over here to have at least a decent pullback trade. It could be poor one. It could be really poor one. I'm going to go another long, 05 long over here. Going to get a really tight stop loss at 58,980. 58,9, yeah, minus $100 is going to be fine for today. And really want to see the market to come back to almost 60,000s. But I'm going to pick a little bit lower, maybe 59.7, 57 ish. Yeah, I'm not going to pick too high. Just in the case. That's it. So everything's set up. Tight stop loss, minus $100. Let's see how it will go. Really weak price action, to be honest. I don't really like to trade this. I'm not enjoying this. Wow. S&P trying to push above 5430 again. Huh. Let's see how it will go. Nah. So, what we got here? So, it seems like buyers not stepping in Bitcoin. It's kind of still looking weak. S&P 500. Um, it's somewhere. I don't know. I'm just trying to see any good trade over here, but Bitcoin is just chopping me around. Um, I don't know. Let's see. So chopping around this, going closer to my stop loss once again today. Nah. That's it. That's it for today, I guess. Um, that's just too much for me today. I guess what we got today, we got one win, one in three losses over here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just I'm not reading good today on the Bitcoin. It's really hard to trade for me today, I guess, and that is what it is. So what we got today, got about minus $600 in loss. Minus 3, minus 104, 450. So yeah, almost minus $500 in the loss for today. That's it. I'm not going to open any trades right now. I'm going to look for the rest of the market and see. Really bad read for today, but it is what it is. Sometimes you give to the market, sometimes market gives to you, and yeah, tremendously bad reading from my side today. Yeah, sometimes it's a matter of the stop losses, and especially in the market like this, where we got this kind of where we get this kind of price action, really high volatility and high choppiness of the price action. The stop loss sometimes matter a lot, and yeah, I got chopped by stop loss 2 times today. So yeah, I'm going to rewind this for me and to to see where my mistakes was, and yeah, and come back with better options, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this stream today as much as I did. It was pretty uh, I don't know, hard to trade today. At least for me, it was hard to trade today, even though we got really good breakout from here. But it is what it is. Um, I'm kind of really want to to get a good trade, but I don't really want to make a revenge trading. So yeah. So that is for me to today. So yeah, I guess guys, we're going to um see ourselves on the next live stream. And yeah, if you still have some questions, leave them below in the comments. I'm going to read them all. Or you can just go to our Telegram group. If you watching from the Telegram, you're going to let's chat there if you want. And yeah, so okay. Hey guys, thank you for watching this live stream today. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I. And yeah, we're going to see you on the next live stream. So thank you, and have a nice Wednesday. Goodbye.